I shouldn't put it outside because it's getting cold now.
Right. It may die because of the coldness.
It won't die, but it will grow very slowly, you know. So to cover the whole basement, chicken, medium fire.
ちょっと入れすぎかな、オイル。
大丈夫大丈夫。
怖いわ、跳ねそうだよ。めっちゃ熱いからね、跳ねたら。あ、やった。
なんで？ You can put a lot of salt here because later you're gonna put water. 下のチキンも上に混ぜてよ。
はいよ。
焦げるよ、チキンは下に。Medium fire. The soup is yellow. I didn't put any water. It all came from the vegetable. It means it's very good. Now it's getting softer, and then let's put water. So water in, just to cover the vegetable. Okay. Yeah. もう一回水で洗おうね。美味しそう。スープ飲んでね。Something like this. Remember, the rice is always on the top of the vegetable, otherwise it's gonna be burned. Voila!
いや。
いい匂いね。上だけね、ピュッピュッピュッピュッピュッして。なんだよ、スクラッチング？
そうだよ。
もうちょっと強くして。
はい。
そうそうそう。
そうそうそう。
また5分10分とか。
はい、待ちます。
大口的吃肉，我们大口的吃；大口的吃肉，我们不能克制；大口的吃肉，我们一。